everybody! It's Miss Sue. It's Saturday and it's raining! I love to go out in the rain. I love to hear the raindrops on top of my umbrella, or sometimes no umbrella, and just stand in the rain in my raincoat, and my boots. I love it! Let's see what other fun things I can do with the rain. I'll be right back. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's definitely some rain dripping from my roof, from my gutter, into and onto the ground. So I'm going to use something to collect the water. What could I use? Let's see. Can you think of anything I can use to collect the water? All right, let's see what I get. I found my bucket. Let's see. Listen to that sound. Oh, baby. Ooh, that's a lot of water. Look at all the water. That's a lot of rainwater. Kind of cool. It all comes from the sky, right? No faucet here. Let's see how filled up I can get this. I'm going to leave it here on the ground and see how much water I can collect, and then we'll come back and check it. All right, so while we're waiting for our bucket to fill up, let's take a closer look at these leaves. Let's see. Focus on the leaf. Focus on the leaves. I don't know if you can see it, but all these raindrops are just kind of hanging out on top. Look at, wee! So you can go outside and look for that too. It's pretty cool. This is kind of cool. This one also has a lot of, wee! Look at it. Wee, down the hill. Little balls of water. It's kind of special. You have to ask Mom and Dad this okay, but I took my shoes off and I wanted to see what it was like to stand in the rainwater. Woo! Ooh! Oh, it's a little bit cold. Oh, a little bit cold, a little bit cold, a little bit cold. You could try it in your driveway maybe. Boop, boop. How about walking on your grass barefoot? How does that feel? Kind of tickly. Nothing bad's gonna happen to your feet. They're just wet. It's kind of like taking a bath outside. Oh, look what I found. Some dirt or soil. Should I step on it? Oh! Should I step on it? With my bare feet? All right, let's see. Here I go. Oh, I'm stepping on it. Oh, it's soft. Very soft. Oh, look, I'm leaving footprints. It's kind of soft. So, I think we had a fun adventure today. Look, there's my other footprints from my boots. Now here's my footprint from my foot. Pretty cool. Oh, so check it out. This is our bucket that we left before. Let me get it. Let's see if I can pick it up. Oh, it looks a little dirty. Oh, get it. Wow, look at that. In just that short time, that's a lot of water. I think if you remember earlier on, one of the fun things we can do is dip chalk in the water and draw with the chalk. Much more vibrant, much more sparkly, much more beautiful. So there's lots of stuff you can do with rain, right? You can make a smiley face. 1, 2, 3. So we collected water. 1, 2, 3. We also looked at the way water beads up on plants. We walked in the rain in our bare feet. And We colored with a little bit of chalk in water. Best ever! Alright, so I hope you guys have a good day. Enjoy the rain while it's here. The plants need it, the earth needs it. And I'll see you next time. Bye!